Hey family,
How you doing?
welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying this African hair growth secret to grow longer, thicker and healthier hair. Now I saw this recipe on Discovery Naturals channel and I said I'm going to give it a try. So this is called Prekese, and Prekese is a species of a pea family and is a native to West Tropical Africa. This medicinal plant belongs to Nigeria and African countries. Aden, or Prekese as it's called, is rich in iron, potassium, calcium, zinc, phosphorus, you name it. It has all those good stuff. The plant also contains antibacterial and microbial agents, and because of these properties, the extract of the plant is used for making soap. Now, this plant has a very strong aromatic fragrance and is often used as a spice for several dishes here in Nigeria, like the pepper soup, the white soup, even our traditional soup back here in Nigeria. So what I'm simply doing is pouring hot water on top of the Prekese and allowing it to
3 days later.
So you can definitely allow this stuff to sit for a couple of days, but I allowed it to sit for 3 days. I think in Discovering Naturals channel she allowed it to sit for just 2 days, but I allowed it to sit for 3 days and the color really changed. The color is so beautiful and it's a little bit slimy. So I'm going to be mixing everything together to combine nicely, and I'll be transferring it to my spray bottle. Now look at the goodness of Aden, aka Prekese. It's so good. Guys, if you've tried this recipe before, please write Prekese in the comment section down below. And if you've watched up until this point, please go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up. It does not cost you anything to give me a huge thumbs up. That is just you trying to say, go girl, okay? So yeah, we are on a journey to waist length. So I'm going to be trying different DIYs to promote hair growth. And if you want to be on this journey with me, please simply click the subscribe button down below and do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload this kind of videos. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Now let's get to the fun part, which is the application part, aka the messy part. Okay, so this is how it's looking right now. I'm going to simply go ahead and spray it on top of my cornrows. In my cornrows, try to massage it in as well as at the tips of my hair. So yeah, so guys, watch the very end to see what I did after applying the Prekese. So right now, what I'm going to do is just to use this shea butter to just apply on my hair, just to keep everything moisturized.